Have you ever wondered what happens when a bird collides with an airplane? Does it cause serious damage? Can it bring a plane down? Today we're diving into the truth about bird strikes and how pilots handle them. Stick around, because the answers might surprise you. Bird strikes happen more often than you might think, thousands of times a year. But don't worry, most of them cause little to no damage. Aircraft are designed to handle these incidents, and pilots are trained to react quickly. The impact of a bird strike depends on several factors: speed, size of the bird, and where it hits. Small birds usually bounce off the fuselage, but if a large bird hits the engine, it can cause serious problems. That's why airports use special methods to keep birds away. In rare cases, bird strikes have caused emergencies. The most famous example? U.S. Airways Flight 1549, also known as the Miracle on the Hudson. In 2009, a flock of geese hit both engines, forcing Captain Sully to land the plane safely in the Hudson River. It was a one-in-a-million event, and everyone survived. If a bird strike happens, pilots follow strict procedures. If the engine is affected, they assess the damage and may shut it down. But don't panic. Planes are built to fly safely on one engine. If needed, pilots will make an emergency landing at the nearest airport. Airports work hard to prevent bird strikes. They use bird deterrents like loud noises, trained falcons, and even special grass that birds don't like. It's all part of making flying as safe as possible. The good news? Bird strikes are almost never a threat to passengers. Engineers test aircraft to withstand them, and pilots are trained for these situations. So, the next time you see birds near an airport, know that safety measures are in place. So now you know what happens when a bird hits a plane. Were you surprised by any of these facts? Let us know in the comments.